Are you looking for a place where you can enjoy the beauty of nature and the comfort of a cozy home? Then take a look at this spacious 2-level penthouse with 4 bedrooms, 220 square meters in the village of Stolif, just 40 meters from the sea. Here you can relax after a busy day, admiring the stunning scenery of the Kotor Bay. And if you want to swim, the sea is just 2 steps away from the house. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this amazing penthouse at a special discounted price of only €320,000.